Your windows play an essential role in keeping your Hilliard home comfortable, protected, and energy efficient. But like anything in your home, windows don't last forever. Over time, weather, humidity, and everyday wear can cause your windows to become less effective, leading to higher energy bills, uncomfortable rooms, and even safety concerns. If you're wondering whether it may be time for a window upgrade, here are the most common signs Hilliard homeowners should watch for. Your windows are drafty or hard to seal. A draft is one of the easiest signs to spot. If you feel cold air coming in during winter or warm air entering in the summer, your windows are no longer sealing properly. Drafty windows force your HVAC system to work harder, increasing your energy bills and decreasing indoor comfort. You may also notice curtains moving when the window is closed, a noticeable temperature difference near the window, air leakage even after trying to lock the window tightly. In Hilliard's warm, humid climate, inefficient seals can also let moisture inside, raising the risk of mold. Difficulty opening or closing your windows. Windows should slide or swing open smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or feel heavy to operate, it's a sign of aging or frame damage. High humidity, which is common in Hilliard, can cause window frames, especially wood, to swell, warp, or rot over time. Common causes of operational problems include warped frames, rusted or damaged hardware shifting around the window, opening balance issues on older double-hung windows. Not only is this frustrating, but it can also be a safety hazard if you ever need windows to open quickly in an emergency. Condensation or fogging between glass panes. A little moisture on the exterior of your windows is normal. But fog or condensation trapped between the panes is a clear sign of seal failure. This means the insulating gas, usually argon or krypton, has escaped, reducing your window's ability to block heat and cold. In Hilliard, where humidity is high year-round, failed seals allow moisture to creep in and reduce your home's energy efficiency. Unfortunately, this issue cannot be repaired without replacing the glass unit or the window entirely. Visible damage or deterioration, cracked glass, rotting wood, peeling paint, and damaged frames all indicate it's time to consider replacement. Even small cracks in your window glass can spread over time or compromise your home's security. Signs of deterioration include soft or warped window frames, chipped or peeling finishes, mold or mildew growth around the frame, water stains beneath or around the window. These problems can also lead to structural issues if moisture enters the walls around your windows. Rising energy bills without explanation. If your utility costs have steadily increased, even though your HVAC system is in good shape, your windows may be the culprit. Old, inefficient windows allow heat to escape during winter and infiltrate during summer, forcing your heating and cooling systems to run more often. Replacing old windows with modern, energy-efficient options can dramatically lower your monthly energy usage and help stabilize indoor temperatures. Excess outside noise entering your home. Do you hear more traffic, neighbors, or outside activity than you used to? Old or single-pane windows provide little sound insulation. Modern double or triple-pane windows with advanced seals greatly reduce noise, creating a more peaceful home environment. If your home feels noisier than usual, window replacement can provide immediate relief. Your home looks dated or lacks curb appeal. Windows are a major part of your home's appearance. If they look old, faded, or mismatched, your entire exterior suffers. New windows instantly refresh your home's curb appeal and add long-term value. Many Hilliard homeowners replace windows during other exterior upgrades, like painting, re-siding, or replacing doors, to create a cohesive, fresh look. Final thoughts: if your windows show any of these signs, it may be time to consider replacement. Upgrading to modern windows provides better energy efficiency, easier operation, improved comfort, and added beauty for your Hilliard home. The investment pays off in lower energy bills, greater safety, and long-term durability, making replacement windows a smart decision for homeowners who want better performance and lasting value.